can see, we have a problem here. My computer screen is cracked. Okay, we will be replacing this screen. First, cut the computer off. Shut down. Cut it off. And you want to pull in these little latches. Well, part of mine was already out, but that's not the point. And to take the battery out, okay? And we need to take this black thing off the frame. We just, try here, there, try everywhere. People on YouTube make this look way easier than it is, but we're not gonna give up, okay? Because that's interesting, because any other time this piece always wanted to crack off, but right now when I need it to, it want to act up. So we just gonna, I guess we're gonna keep prying it. Now we need to pry these little grooves from the latches. So we're gonna flip the screen down, turn it over. I'm gonna try to pry this thing open. Now these here latches are a little bit harder than they gave off in the videos. There we go. Well, that's how you do it. Now we need to take off these 4 screws. 1, 2, 3, 4. Oh, okay. Now, we will be taking a break because I need to find that screw. Okay, and we're back. All is well. It was just up in one of the grooves. I have the screw right here. We're gonna keep that over to the side. Now we know, when you know better, you do better. We're gonna move a little slower next time, all right? Okay. What we do now, we just go ahead. LOL. No, we don't. What intonation? Oh my goodness. I done pulled out one of the wrong thing. Okay, so we're gonna put this screw back in here. So we're gonna take off this screw. This is the screw that we should have been taking off. Now it just snaps on up out of it. So we want to carefully take this here connector piece off. There we go. Look, come on now. Tell somebody about me. Now I'm gonna put my new screen down here. Move this old cracked screen out the way. Now the first thing we want to do is reconnect our connector piece, okay? Everybody else did this so easy. I don't know why I'm trying to play me. Child. There we go. No, we don't. There we go. I heard it click. Okay. Now we just put that down. You heard the clank. That means we in the dough. We just want to put this back up here. We want to take these screws and we're going to put some of these ones at the top. This is the one that gave me trouble the first time. There's a will, there is a way. it ain't gonna break me today. Okay. Last screw before we clink the frame back on there. Alright, cool. Now we got that new screen on there. We gotta put our frame back on there. And it's just a matter of clinking. We're gonna put the grooves in there first. And we gotta put our battery back in. We're gonna stick that left side in. And then stick that right side. The left side automatically clink. That right side, we gotta press this little thing, slide this little button over to lock it. Now it's locked. Last but not least step, cut this computer screen on. We in there. So, you know, as y'all need technical support on campus,
I am your girl. Hit me up.
Yeah, that's how you can contact me. As you guys see, my computer is working. When there's a will, oh wait a minute, that ain't the saying. If there's a will, there is a way. That's how you do that. And I just want to show you guys, because my computer is a touch screen computer, so just so you can see that, you know, everything's still working. We in the dough, you feel me? Everybody who down to me, I just want to let y'all know that the kid fixed her computer. So there's really nothing that you can't do when you put your mind to in a couple of YouTube videos, honestly. But you know, if you don't have the time, you need somebody else, I am your girl, okay? And we're gonna cut this off. Thank you.